Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Unzipped, your hub for the latest and smartest tools in technology. In today's video, we're diving into the best new AI tools of 2025 that are changing the game right now. From research assistants to video creators, these are tools you'll definitely want to try. Stick around until the end because some of these will blow your mind. Let's jump right in. 1. CopyOwl.ai, the first AI research agent. Starting off strong, let's talk about CopyOwl.ai. This tool is like having a personal research assistant that works at lightning speed. Just type in your topic and CopyOwl does the deep digging for you, pulling incredible sources and generating high-quality articles instantly. Whether you're a student, a blogger, or a professional researcher, this is a massive time saver. Remember their motto, research smarter, not harder. And honestly, it delivers exactly that. 2. AiSOAP AI Medical Scribe with SOAP Notes. Next up is AiSOAP, and if you're in the medical field, you're going to love this. AiSOAP listens, records, and transcribes patient conversations, then turns them into customized SOAP notes automatically. That means healthcare professionals can cut charting time by up to 95%. Imagine getting back all that time to focus on patient care. It's a total game changer. 3. Meco, the smarter newsletter reader. Now, let's move into the reading space with Meco. If you love newsletters but hate a cluttered inbox, this app is perfect. Meco gives you a distraction-free zone where you can enjoy all your favorite writers' content without email overload. Plus, it's packed with features to help you actually learn and retain more from what you're reading. 4. PopAi 2.0 AI Academic Copilot. For students and researchers, meet PopAi 2.0. This is like having an academic assistant by your side 24/7. It can search, chat, write essays, create slides, and even help with crafting your CV. Imagine preparing for exams or writing papers with this level of support. It's a lifesaver for anyone in academia. 5. Humbot, humanizing AI text. Ever worried your AI-generated text will get flagged by detectors? That's where Humbot steps in. Humbot seamlessly rewrites AI text to make it human-like, undetectable, and plagiarism-free. It works against popular detectors like GPT-0, Turnitin, and Originality AI. If you're a content creator, student, or copywriter, this tool ensures your work looks 100% natural. 6. Flot AI, Anywhere AI Assistant. Up next is Flot AI. Think of it as your personal assistant that follows you everywhere across the web and apps. Flot helps you write better, read faster, and remember more. Plus, it has built-in access to the latest models like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Basically, it's an AI companion that works wherever you work. 7. 302.ai, cutting-edge AI without subscriptions. Here's something unique, 302.ai. Instead of paying monthly fees, this platform gives you access to all the top AI models, updated weekly. It even ranked 1 on Product Hunt. Whether you need GPT, Claude, or the latest model, you can try them all in one place, no subscription strings attached. 8. ChatHub, Multi-Model Insights. Speaking of multiple models, let's look at ChatHub. With ChatHub, you can ask ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and more the same question, and then compare their answers side by side. Imagine the insights you can get when you see how different AIs tackle the same problem. It's like a debate panel, but with AI. 9. ChatPlayground AI. Next, there's ChatPlayground AI. This platform gives you access to GPT-4o, Gemini 1.5 Pro, Claude 3.5, and others, all in one place. But it doesn't stop there. It also offers real-time web search, image generation, and multilingual support. It's perfect for anyone who wants flexibility and variety in their AI tools. 10. Me.bot, your personal AI companion. Meet Me.bot, your AI companion for everyday life. It manages your schedule, organizes your thoughts, and even preserves your memories. Think of it as a personal assistant that not only responds but proactively helps you stay on track with your daily life, all while keeping privacy in mind. 11. Gamma AI, Next Level Presentations. If you hate making presentations, Gamma AI is here to save you. It helps you design visually stunning, interactive decks in minutes. With AI-assisted drafting and collaboration features, you'll never dread presentation prep again. It's like PowerPoint but on steroids. 12. ArchiVinci AI Architecture Generator. Architects, designers, and even real estate developers, this one's for you. ArchiVinci transforms simple sketches into photorealistic architectural renders. You can design interiors, exteriors, and even color master plans. It's like holding the future of architecture right in your hand. 13. Abacus AI, Enterprise Super Assistant. Now, if you're in business, check out Abacus AI. This enterprise-level assistant gives you access to premium AI models like GPT-4o, Gemini, and Claude Sonnet. It's designed to help professionals handle large-scale projects, data, and workflows, basically making work smarter, not harder. 14. APOB AI, Personalized Avatars and Content. Looking for something more creative? APOB AI lets you generate personalized digital avatars, custom images, and even videos. With free daily credits, it's a playground for content creators, marketers, or anyone who wants to stand out online. 15. Vidnoz AI, Video Creation Made Easy. Another big one for creators is Vidnoz AI. This platform makes professional video creation accessible to everyone. You get over 400 AI avatars, text-to-speech in 140+ languages, customizable templates, background removal, and even voice cloning. Whether you're a YouTuber or a business, Vidnoz is a powerhouse. 16. Thunderbit, One-Click AI Automation. Imagine building AI apps and automations with zero coding skills. That's Thunderbit. It's a toolkit that lets you streamline workflows, extract data, and automate repetitive tasks, all with one click. Perfect for businesses or individuals looking to boost productivity. 17. Dora, AI-powered web design. Next we have Dora. This AI tool turns your ideas into fully designed, responsive websites in minutes. No coding, no stress, just stunning results. For startups, entrepreneurs, or creators, Dora makes web design effortless. 18. Assemble, from long videos to shorts. And finally, let's wrap up with Assemble. This tool helps creators transform long videos into high-retention shorts. It also allows you to edit, generate images, and optimize your content for maximum engagement. If you're in the creator economy, Assemble is essential. Those are the 18 best AI tools of 2025 that you should definitely check out. Each one solves real problems, saves time, and helps you work smarter. Let me know in the comments, which of these tools are you most excited to try? Backhand index pointing right, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest in AI and tech. Until next time, this is Tech and Zip signing off. Show on screen?